The 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor R Shelby is the ultimate high-performance truck, combining raw power, aggressive design, and advanced technology to dominate both off-road trails and city streets with unmatched authority. At its core lies the legendary supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine, borrowed straight from the Shelby GT500, tuned to unleash a monstrous 720 horsepower and 640 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse propels the Raptor R from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.6 seconds, delivering thrilling acceleration that's rare in the pickup world. Paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission and advanced 4x4 drivetrain, this beast offers blistering speed and rock-solid traction on any terrain, making it a true desert predator ready to conquer dunes, mud, and rocky paths alike. The exterior design is as ferocious as the performance, with bold Shelby graphics, aggressive front grille, and muscular fenders that house massive 37-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. The wider stance and enhanced aerodynamics give the truck a commanding road presence, while functional features like the Fox dual live valve shocks and skid plates ensure durability and supreme off-road capability. Available carbon fiber packages add a touch of lightweight sophistication, enhancing both performance and style. The Raptor R's high ground clearance and rugged underbody protection mean it's built to take on the harshest environments without breaking a sweat. Step inside and the cabin is a blend of luxury and utility, designed to keep driver and passengers comfortable no matter how intense the ride. Premium materials and Shelby-specific badging decorate the interior, while the 12-inch digital gauge cluster provides crisp, customizable displays of vital information. The spacious Super Crew cab offers ample legroom and storage with upgraded seats that provide excellent support and comfort on long drives or rough terrain. Advanced technology features include the latest sync infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium sound system, and multiple USB ports to keep everyone connected and entertained. Safety and driver assistance technologies are comprehensive, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system that enhances visibility and confidence in tight spots. The Raptor R's braking system features massive vented discs that deliver strong, reliable stopping power even under extreme conditions. With its jaw-dropping 720 horsepower supercharged V8, aggressive Shelby styling, advanced off-road hardware, and luxurious tech-packed interior, the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor R Shelby stands as a true titan in the high-performance truck segment. It's the perfect choice for those who demand exhilarating power, rugged capability, and uncompromising style, all in one unstoppable package.